Good morning, this is Tim Nelson from Berkey's Farm Store in Anawan, Illinois. I am sitting in a 2019 QUADTRAC STEIGER 470 QT with approximately 2,000 hours. This unit is a local trade. He traded it on a new QUADTRAC. As you can see, we're on the interior of the cab. It has a precision ag display model 700, ag controller with navigation 3, precision ag receiver model 372. We have air-conditioned, climate-controlled cab, AM/FM radio with Bluetooth. We have leather seats, leather passenger seat. We also have all the manuals for it. Freshly cleaned carpet, ready for install. Let's take a look outside and get a look and a walk around. As you see, this has the power mirrors on the cab. It has the LED lighting package, power shift transmission with 16 forward and 4 reverse speeds, park lock, differential lock. We have 6 remote valves, power beyond kit and return, hydraulic motor return, high flow hydraulic pump, 1000 RPM PTO, with a high capacity drawbar on it. These 30-inch Camoplast tracks have approximately 70% tread left on them, so they got plenty of use in the field for you. Like I said, this unit is available at Berkey's in Anawan, Illinois. Give us a call at 309-925-1100 with any questions. Thank you.